Ever wondered how you can treat common ailments at home? Well, in today's video, we are going to walk you through 10 home health remedies that actually work. Not only that, but these are also all natural and cost-effective ways to manage many common health issues. From the common cold to digestive troubles, nature has provided us with an abundance of ingredients that can help us feel better. And today, we're going to explore 10 of them. These remedies have been used for centuries, with many of them backed by modern scientific research. They can offer relief for a variety of ailments, including sore throats, nausea, inflammation, and even anxiety. Plus, these remedies are relatively easy to prepare, using ingredients you might already have in your kitchen. So are you ready to discover the healing power of home remedies? Stay tuned to learn about these natural and effective remedies. First on our list is honey, a sweet remedy for sore throats. This golden nectar has been used for centuries to soothe scratchy throats and quiet coughs. But how does it work? Honey is a natural antimicrobial agent. This means it can kill or inhibit the growth of microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, and viruses. When you're fighting off a sore throat, these antimicrobial properties can help by tackling harmful bacteria that might be causing the irritation. But honey doesn't stop there. Its thick, syrupy texture also coats the throat, providing a soothing effect that can offer immediate relief from discomfort. And how to use it? Simply mix a tablespoon of honey into a cup of warm water or herbal tea, and sip away. The warmth can further soothe your throat and make you feel better. So next time you have a sore throat, remember the power of honey. It's not just delicious but also a natural and effective remedy for that pesky sore throat. Feeling nauseous? Ginger might be the solution. This zesty root has been used as a remedy for centuries and for good reason. Ginger contains powerful compounds called gingerols and shogals. These substances interact with your body's natural pathways to help quell feelings of nausea. They can even combat vomiting, making ginger a go-to home remedy for morning sickness during pregnancy or discomfort after chemotherapy. So, how can you get these benefits? Well, there are plenty of ways to incorporate ginger into your diet. Ginger tea is a popular choice, steeping slices of the root in boiling water for a soothing, warm drink. If you're on the go, ginger candies can be a convenient option. And let's not forget the simplest method, just nibble on a small piece of raw ginger. Remember, it's potent, so a little goes a long way. So next time you're feeling queasy, reach for some ginger. It's a natural remedy to keep nausea at bay. Garlic isn't just for cooking, it's also a potent remedy for cold and flu. This bulbous plant, a close relative to onions and leeks, is known for its potent antibacterial and antiviral properties. When you're feeling under the weather, garlic can be your best friend. Why, you may ask? It's simple, really. Garlic contains compounds like allicin and allicin, which are known to boost the body's immune system and fight off pathogens. But how exactly do you use garlic for cold and flu? One popular method is to crush a clove of garlic and mix it with honey. The mixture can be taken orally, and it's best consumed on an empty stomach. The honey not only sweetens the pungent garlic but also adds its own array of health benefits. So next time you feel the sniffles coming on, don't be shy. Boost your immune system with the power of garlic. Stomach upset? Peppermint could help. When it comes to dealing with digestive issues, peppermint is a natural powerhouse. This aromatic herb is not just for freshening breath or flavoring your holiday treats. It can also be a potent remedy for indigestion, gas, and bloating. The secret lies in its oil, particularly the compound called menthol. This compound has a soothing effect on the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, helping to relieve discomfort and promoting smoother digestion. Peppermint can be consumed in various forms, but the most common are peppermint tea and peppermint oil capsules. Peppermint tea is calming and easy to make. Just steep some peppermint leaves in hot water, strain, and sip away. For those on the go, peppermint oil capsules are a convenient option. Just remember, with any home remedy, it's always important to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if symptoms persist. Peppermint, a refreshing solution for your digestive woes. Turmeric, a golden spice with powerful healing properties. Known for its warm, bitter taste and vibrant color, turmeric is a staple in cooking, especially in Indian cuisine. But this spice does more than just add flavor to your food. The secret lies in the chemical compound curcumin found in abundance in turmeric. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that rivals many over-the-counter drugs but without the side effects. Inflammation can be a response to injury or infection, and while it's necessary for healing, when it becomes chronic, it can lead to severe health problems. That's where turmeric comes in. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can help regulate this inflammation. You can add it to soups, stews, or even smoothies. If you prefer a topical application, you can make a paste with turmeric powder and water and apply it to the inflamed areas. Remember, a little goes a long way. Turn to turmeric for natural anti-inflammatory relief. Heartburn can be a real pain, but apple cider vinegar might help. Now I know what you're thinking. Vinegar? For heartburn? Isn't it acidic? Well, yes it is. But here's the twist. Despite its acidic nature, apple cider vinegar actually helps neutralize stomach acid. You see, heartburn occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing that familiar burning sensation. But when we introduce apple cider vinegar into our system, it works to balance the pH levels in our stomach. This balancing act can, in turn, alleviate the burning sensation of heartburn. So how do you use it? Simply mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a glass of water and drink it before meals. This can help prevent heartburn from even starting. However, remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Apple cider vinegar, a surprising remedy for heartburn. Struggling with anxiety or sleep? Chamomile tea could be your ticket to relaxation. Now let's dive into the calming world of chamomile. This humble herb, used for centuries, is a powerhouse of benefits, especially when it comes to calming the mind and promoting better sleep. The secret lies in its chemical compounds that directly impact your nervous system, encouraging a sense of tranquility and peace. Imagine this. You're winding down from a long day, you brew a warm, aromatic cup of chamomile tea, and as you take each soothing sip, you feel your worries melting away. The tension in your body loosens, your thoughts slow down, and before you know it, you're drifting into a peaceful slumber. Chamomile tea is more than just a bedtime beverage. It's a ritual, a natural remedy that invites relaxation and restful sleep. So the next time you find yourself tossing and turning, remember to unwind with a cup of chamomile tea. Sunburned. Aloe vera can provide soothing relief. If you've ever had an unfortunate encounter with the sun, you've probably reached for a bottle of aloe vera gel. But why is it so effective? Aloe vera, a succulent plant species, produces a gel that is loaded with several compounds that are beneficial to the skin. This includes vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help to soothe and cool the skin, providing immediate relief from the painful burn. Not only does it alleviate the sting of sunburn, but aloe vera also aids in skin hydration, keeping it moisturized and preventing peeling. And there's more to it. The anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera can help reduce redness and swelling, promoting faster healing of sunburned skin. It's as simple as applying a thin layer of aloe vera gel directly onto the affected area. So, the next time the sun shows you no mercy, remember this green plant's healing prowess. Aloe vera, a natural soother for your sunburn woes. Congested? Eucalyptus oil can help clear your sinuses. It's a statement that holds true, thanks to the decongestant properties of this natural remedy. When you're feeling stuffy, the refreshing scent of eucalyptus oil can feel like a breath of fresh air, literally. Eucalyptus oil contains a compound called eucalyptol, which can actually help break up mucus in the lungs and sinuses, thus relieving congestion. It's a potent tool against the stuffiness and discomfort that come with a common cold or sinusitis. So, how do you use it? It's simple. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to a bowl of hot water, lean over the bowl, drape a towel over your head to trap the steam, and inhale deeply. The steam carries the eucalyptus oil particles into your sinuses and lungs, effectively helping to clear your airways. Remember, it's always important to use eucalyptus oil with caution, as it's potent and can cause irritation if used excessively. Breathe easy with eucalyptus oil. Last but not least, cranberry juice, a potential preventive measure for UTIs. Urinary tract infections, commonly known as UTIs, are a frequent issue for many. They can cause discomfort and pain, but there's a tasty way to potentially reduce your risk of getting them. Enter cranberry juice. This tangy beverage is not just for holiday dinners anymore. The secret of cranberry juice lies in its unique compounds that can help prevent bacteria from adhering to the walls of your urinary tract. By doing so, it effectively reduces the possibility of these pesky infections. It's important to note though that you should opt for pure, unsweetened cranberry juice to get these benefits. Sweetened versions often contain added sugars, diminishing the health benefits. So, next time you're at the store, consider grabbing a bottle of this tart, vibrant juice. Not only will it add a twist to your regular drink rotation, but it could also help keep those UTIs at bay. Cranberry juice, a tangy drink with health benefits. That's our list of 10 home remedies that actually work. From the sweet solace of honey for sore throats to the fiery relief of ginger for nausea, we've explored a range of remedies that can be found right in your kitchen. Garlic, a potent fighter against cold and flu, and peppermint, a natural digestive aid, show us that relief isn't always a drugstore away. We've delved into the anti-inflammatory wonders of turmeric and the surprising heartburn relief offered by apple cider vinegar. Chamomile's calming properties for anxiety and sleep, aloe vera's soothing touch for sunburn, and the clear breath of relief from eucalyptus oil for congestion have all made the list. Not forgetting cranberry juice, a natural defense against urinary tract infections. These home remedies remind us that sometimes the best medicine is just a pantry away. Remember, nature offers many remedies for common ailments. Stay healthy and take care. Thanks for tuning in to our channel Remedies and Resolutions. If you are passionate about natural remedies and holistic health, be sure to explore our other videos for tips on everything from combating colds to safe alternatives for many harsh prescriptions with unwanted side effects. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button and sharing it with friends or family who might benefit from these healthy alternatives. For a regular dose of proven home remedies and treatments, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We are dedicated to bringing you multiple new videos every week to keep you informed and inspired on your wellness journey. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day filled with health and happiness.